Managing your digital life admin can feel overwhelming, especially with passwords, files, important documents, and passwords scattered across different platforms. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to manage all your digital life admin with a vault, an easy way to organize and protect your online presence. So what is a vault? Simply put, it's a secure, centralized place where you can store and access everything you need: passwords, notes, documents, and even your personal info, all in one place. Think of it as your digital safe, accessible only by you. And if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you the software I recommend and even offer you an exclusive free trial if you want to follow along. Now, you've probably tried a bunch of apps, from basic password managers to document storage solutions. But a vault takes things to the next level by combining all these tools into one streamlined experience. Let's dive into how to get started. First, you'll want to choose the right software. The one we're using today has everything you need to securely store and organize all your digital life admin. In the description below, you can grab your exclusive free trial for this software, which is only available to viewers of this channel. Once you've got the software set up, the first thing to do is add all your passwords. One of the major advantages of using a vault is that it auto-generates and stores complex passwords for you. No more struggling to remember all those unique logins. The software can store them securely with encryption, ensuring they're safe from prying eyes. Next, upload your important documents. Whether it's tax returns, personal IDs, or contracts, the vault can store these safely in one place. You'll even have the option to set different levels of access. So if you need to share certain documents with trusted people, it's simple to do that securely. Another key part of managing your digital life admin is note-taking. Whether it's ideas, reminders, or even to-do lists, keeping your thoughts organized is critical. The vault's built-in note section allows you to securely store notes that are easy to find and access. Now, let's talk about security. A vault is only as good as its security features. With our software, you'll have multi-factor authentication to ensure that only you can access your vault. Plus, you can set up custom alerts for any suspicious activity, giving you peace of mind knowing your digital life is protected. The best part? The vault is accessible across all your devices. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet, you can access your digital life admin no matter where you are. Plus, the software syncs in real time, so you're always up to date. Here's the key takeaway. Managing your digital life admin with a vault is all about centralizing, organizing, and securing your data in one safe, easy-to-use place. With the right software, you can simplify everything from passwords to documents and personal info. To quickly recap, use a vault to store and organize passwords, documents, and notes securely, set up multi-factor authentication, and take advantage of its cross-device syncing. And remember, the software we use today is available to you with an exclusive free trial. The link is in the description below. Take action now, try out the free trial, and simplify your digital life.